Welcome to our scrap metal art project. In this video, we will show you how to get started on creating your very own unique and eye-catching piece of metal art using scrap material. So let's dive in. Thanks for being here, and if you are new on our channel, please do subscribe our channel for more interesting and related videos. So let's get started. First of all, we have to start with the first step in any art project is gathering your material. For this scrap metal art project, you will need scrap metal pieces. Look for discarded metal objects like old car parts, nuts, bolts, broken tools, or any other interesting metal pieces that can be repurposed for your art. You will need basic tools such as hammer, chisel, angle grinder, welding machine. If you are planning to weld, safety gloves, goggles, and a dust mask to protect yourself during the process. Set up a well-ventilated and a well-lit workspace with ample room to work comfortably and safely. Once you have your material ready, it's time to plan your design. Take a close look at your scrap metal pieces and visualize they can fit together to create an interesting and beautiful design. You can sketch your design on paper or use computer software to create a digital design of your that you prefer. Before you start assembling your scrap metal pieces, you may need to clean them and prepare them for welding or other form of joining. Use your tools such as angle grinder, chisel to remove dust, paint, or any other debris from the metal pieces. Be sure to wear your safety gloves, goggles, and the dust mask to protect yourself from flying debris or fumes. Now it's time to bring your design to life by assembling your scrap pieces. Use your plan as a guide. Start arranging the piece according to your design. You may need to use welding, bolting, and the other method of joining pieces together, depending upon the type of metal and design you are looking for. Once you have assembled your metal pieces, take a step back and evaluate your artwork. Make any necessary adjustment to ensure that the pieces are securely joined and the design look the way you want to. You can also add additional details, texture, or the other embellishment to further enhance your artwork. After you satisfy with your scrap metal pieces, clean your workshop by removing the debris tool. Make sure moment to admire your handwork and enjoy your unique creative collection. And there you have it. It's step-by-step guide on how to start scrap metal project with some great basic tools and a little bit of patience. So keep watching our video because we have posted number of videos like this in our channel on a daily basis that will help you to reduce your scrap metal, and it also helps you to reduce your carbon footprint. So keep watching and keep subscribing. here is our today's video. Thanks for being here and thanks for admiring our work. So keep watching and keep subscribing because we need your support and your ideas. Thank you so much.